Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. Today also I brought a very quick crispy delight. If if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Today also I brought a very delicious, nutritious and a very yummy treat, very yummy dish that can be prepared within minutes without any preparation. As soon as you feel like that, we feel like eating something rather than going to the junk food, we can get on to this as a in the morning, evening time, anytime you can make this with very few articles which are present at the home. So let us get into the crispy delights. Welcome to Healthy Diet, friends. Health is wealth. So let us start making nice, delicious dishes. Let us have a quick look. Time is very short, so in this short video, so let us see what with 3-4 things I made this. For this, these are potatoes. One big potato, one small or big potato, whatever. Peel it, wash it, peel it, and grind it, and soak it in salt water for some time. Other things which I've taken are this gram flour, 1/4 cup gram flour, almost 50 grams. Take a ball, and in ball take 50 gram flour, half cup, and 50 grams or half cup salmonella. These I've taken only in the raw form. I've not done any pre-preparation because I want to make it instant, quickly. And this will retain its crispiness. So both things are taken raw here, mixed together. And then few other things. Then these potatoes, just filter them. And these grated potatoes you can add. So rinsing all the water, keeping all the water away, you can put that, what you had soaked here. These grated potatoes, very simply you can wash, peel and grate a potato and put it in a bowl, put some water and some salt in it and keep it for some time. No need keeping for some time. In the meantime, we do other things, then we can put those in this. Now green articles, green things, oregano you can put, then coriander leaves, or best will be the mint leaves. If you have mint leaves, they are better than other things. Then 1/4 cup these green chopped leaves, and one big green chili chopped. Then one spoon salt. You can put according to your taste. Everybody has its taste in it. Then 1 small spoon chaat masala, half teaspoon chili flakes or chili powder, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Then 2 big spoons sesame seeds. Yes. Mix all these together. Putting all together in one bowl. Mix all these together so that no part is left over. Then all spices are spread out nicely and they are blended together. Yeah, I found this salmonella is a bit less, so I put 2 spoons more. Anyway, both will do if you put or not. Now you can 2 tablespoon this 2 tablespoon of lemon juice I added. Fresh lemon juice, friends, not the other one. Fresh lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C, and it is good form of vitamin C. I did not add anything sour, because eating sour is bad in old age. So it's better if we stick on to the natural things. Now with the help of some water, we make a dough. Dough should not be very thick and not very, its consistency should be, means thin. I mean, not very thin and not very thick also. It should be drawn into the pan. See, I put some more water, and then because I found this to be thick. Now, yeah, this is somewhat like that. Now, over gas, keep a pan, add half spoon cumin seeds and 2 big spoon oil, and let them roast. Let them roast a bit. Then you can add your dough, whichever you prepare, directly, very easily. Yes, spread it throughout the pan. No need making any bindings, no need anything. You can put all the ingredients, all the dough you had made, all the batter you had made in a pan and spread it. Spread it, you can spread it with spoon, with the anything like, see, you can spread it. Yes. In the beginning it was not binding. See, it is coming all together. See, within the base of the pan, and at the same time it is cooking also at the medium flame I have kept. See this? Yes, it is taking up and it is, see, you can spread it throughout thoroughly, nicely throughout the pan because it is going to be a single piece. Now you can add some more sesame seeds. You can sprinkle some more sesame seeds. Friends, sesame is so good for our health. It has got it has got a lot of calcium. It is very good for the bones and it is very good for functioning of our body. It is big stuff of calcium. You can take the black ones also. I have taken the white ones. You can spread it properly with the help of spoon. You can press it so that they don't get out of order when you turn it upside down, because you have to roast it from this side also. Yes, see, this is spread properly. Yeah, see, at the same time this moisture that is reducing and it is getting fluffy very nicely. It is adjusting within the pan very nicely. It is adjusting within the pan. See, yes, it has become so smooth. Now let us check if it is cooking. I put some more oil up. If you are this calorie conscious, or if you are oil conscious, no need. If you don't put oil, then also it will do. In the non-stick pan, it will be very tasty that way also. But if you fry it, means shallow fry, then putting oil is okay. See, I checked it, but it is not cooked properly. Almost it took, with me it took 3 minutes. Yes, see, it is very nicely, it is binded together and it is not sticking with the pan. Now I turned it upside down. Turning upside down may break it, so you can do you can try one thing. You can keep a plate over and then you can turn the pan upside down, and then again from pan you can transfer it to the, from plate you can transfer it back to the pan. See, from one side it is almost cooked. I put some oil to make it more lavish. Yes, it is cooked. See, it took hardly 5 to 7 minutes to cook. From both sides it is done. Wow, very nice. See this one. You can grate some cheese over. You can decorate it in as you like. You can spread sauce, chili sauce, this tomato sauce, and you can put butter, anything you like. You can, in your own way, you can relish it. This is so crispy. This is brittle and it is very nice, so yummy to taste. Wow, this is done. It is nutritious, friend. It has got protein, it has got calcium, it has got many more things. It is, and most portion is, it is homemade with good oils, with nice, see, wow, this is so nice and yummy. Thanks for watching. Try today only, add it to your diet. Bye. See you.